The 2023 Kia Sorento enters the new model year with improved packaging across all trims, building upon its generous array of standard features. All other trims gain convenience features that were previously optional. The S gets a wireless smartphone charger, the X gets an 8-way power front passenger seat and frameless rear view mirror, and the SX gets a 12.3-inch color digital instrument panel, power folding exterior mirrors and rain-sensing windshield wipers. The range-topping SX Prestige now comes with standard all-wheel drive, which includes gloss back exterior accents and revised bumpers as part of the treatment. The 2023 Sorento will be available with either a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter 4-cylinder or a turbocharged one. The naturally aspirated engine produces 191 horsepower and 181 pound-feet of torque. The turbocharged engine makes a lot more power, delivering 281 horsepower and 311 pounds-to-foot of torque. This engine pairs with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, while the naturally aspirated one hooks up to an 8-speed automatic. The X-Line package alters the crossover's appearance by adding 20-inch alloy wheels, unique bumper and exterior details, and a roof rack. The 2023 Kia Sorento Hybrid starts at $37,885, while the plug-in hybrid variant starts at $51,185. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, share.